Good morning, ladies and gentlemen across the world. My name is Julius. It's a palm-pleasing pleasure as well as a privilege to have you this morning across the world. I don't want to take your time for being here for granted. I just want to thank you for sacrificing time to be here, to be able to acquire some skills that we need to ensure sufficient production and sufficient results with our Royalq robot. My name is Julius. I want to recognize the presence of some key leaders in the house. I've seen our V2 leader Chucks from Nigeria. Happy to have you, leader Abby. Happy to have you, leader Campus, leader Comfort. Okay, I've seen, okay, let me keep on scrolling a bit. Yes, leader Moni, happy to have you. Okay. Right, leader William, happy to have you, and the rest of the leaders across the world. Happy to have you this morning. And I just want to share some few insights. My training today is going to be very short and precise. I was speaking to one of my friends this morning, and he told me, Julius, why are your coins in blue even when the market is down? And I asked me another question. Why is it that even when the market is down, you're already making $8 this morning? It has taken me 3 months to be in Royalq. And these 3 months I've been in the business, gentlemen. I have got what I call personal experience skills. I call them skills that have not been taught to me by anybody, but I've personally experienced this as I use my Royalq platform. And I believe I just need to share these simple ideas of business to you so that you could also take off the ability and the potential to use the same skills to grow your business or to keep on making profits with the Royalq robot. But before I get started, I want you to recognize that the Bitcoin market is low. Why do we talk about the Bitcoin? Because it is the one where all other altcoins, coins that are not Bitcoin and Ethereum, belong. So when the Bitcoin goes down due to certain factors that I may not go in today, that I think could have caused the Bitcoin crash to around now 42,000 US dollars. You need it also to realize, ladies and gentlemen, that also your capital goes down. So many people have been asking me, I started with $100. Now, yesterday, I see my money going below around 40 or 50 or 60, around there. Now, you need to realize that we are doing live market trading. Yesterday, my overall capital went below 200 US dollars. But I understand that if the robot bought me 5 Ethereum, I'm just giving an example, I remain with 5 Ethereum. But the value of Ethereum goes down and goes up depending on the market. So if your capital is $1,000 and the market goes down, your overall capital will not remain $1,000. It will go down with the market and it will come back with the market. So what do? We just need to be patient with the market. Definitely the market will pick up and definitely your capital will return. Now, also it's very important to understand that you cannot do manual replenishment if the market is as it is. What do I mean by, I'm not meaning, okay, not manual replenishment, sorry. You cannot convert coins if the market is too low, because if you convert, sometimes you land in some few small losses, especially if your coins are into too much floating loss. Like I've said, my sharing is going to be short. What you need to do if the market is going down? One, that is key. Capital is important. Capital in trading is key because there is one thing that we cannot control. We can never control the market, but we can control our capital. So capital is key right now. If you have more capital, I'm speaking of people who have more capital. If you have more capital and you're already trading, you can do the following to keep your coins in blue and keep on making profit. You see, my robot has not yet rested. It has been buying, it has been selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. Even when the market is low. So what do you need to do, ladies and gentlemen? One, these are things you need to do. I hope you are following. That's why usually I give the YouTube channel. If you're not getting what I'm saying, I usually encourage you to go back to the YouTube channel and note. What I'm saying is the following. If the market is low and you want to continue making profits, this is what you are supposed to do. Or if your coins are in too much floating loss and you want to still keep making profit, this is what you are supposed to do. One, if you have more money, put more money in your USDT. If you don't have, just ignore. That is one. If you have more money, put more money in your USDT. If you don't have, just ignore. Two, if you have balance in your USDT, if you have balance, now I need to make this clear. Why do I talk about balance in USDT? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, Leader Campus. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the trick of making money with the Royalq robot. You need to have many coins when the market is going down. You need to have many coins when the market is going down with low amount of fast buy. I need to have few coins when the market's going up, high amount of fast buy. Let me show you. For example, this is my new synchronized strategy. I added more capital, and now I went in for amount of fast buy 15, and I went in for 26 coins. And because I did more coins, some coins are not performing well, but other coins are performing well, and I'm already in business. I have 26 coins that I'm trading right now, and I'm so far seated on $8, $8.8. I need to repeat this statement again. What you need to do if the market is going down, if your amount of fast buy has been huge, because you lose nothing, you go and cancel the strategy and sync the strategy again with the little amount of fast buy, but many coins. When the market changes and it bounces back, now what you do, you cancel the strategy with more amount of fast buy and few coins. It doesn't matter which strategy you are using. There, you will always stay in business and you will be always making profit as others are saying the robots are not working. Now, the question is, how do you switch from one strategy to another without depleting the amount of USDT in your Binance? This is what you need to do always. One, get these coins that are trading. For example, my first step, I said I was able to increase my capital. The first step, I was able to increase my capital, which I know now it is depleting, but it's okay. The first step, I was able to increase my capital. Now, for example, but I don't want to do this. If I have $900 in my USDT, ladies and gentlemen, if I have $900 in my USDT and I want to keep on making profit, what I will do, I will come and pick all these coins, AVAX, put it in one short, stop margin call. Then I come, but I'm going to return. I was just showing you, I don't want to stop my margin calls here on these new coins. So I go and I get all these coins that are in cycle, like I did for Beck. I put Beck in one short, stopped margin call, and I left it there. Then I canceled the strategy that was on all these coins that you see. Beck, all this one, Quantum, this one XLM, this one Atom, BAT, FTT. I canceled them, and Lit, Mana, RIS, Sushi, SXP, Theater. I canceled all this on SRP. I put in one shot and I canceled the margin call. Then I canceled the strategy. I canceled the strategy and I synced another strategy. And that's what you should always do. But you need to make sure you do that if you have enough balance in USDT. My balance now in USDT is over $900. It means my robot is going to keep on buying and selling even when the market is down. And I'm going to just be passing by here into my Royalq here. You see, it is still continuing, new buy. It is still buying. Okay, that is the first strategy. The second strategy to maximize more profit is to do manual replenishment. For example, if you look at inch stock USDT, let us look at it in Binance here to see how it could be performing in the market. If you're a first timer, I'm sorry, I may be going beyond where I'm supposed to stop, but I have nothing to do. You will just go back to your upline or okay, inch stock USDT. Well, you see, although the market is down, this coin has maybe the ability to do some little more performance. So it hasn't yet decided, but I can do manual replenishment of this coin, and I deposit here market price, and I deposit here $50 so that I could increase its position amount to close more profit in the next few minutes, because I see it's about to close in profit. Okay. Then I find this other coin that is in blue, that is IOTA stock USDT. So I can come here into the graph and look at how it is performing. So I come here and I search. I come here and I search. I search for this coin and I look at its candlesticks. This one also, although the market is down, it is now going to have, it might have a simple bull push. So I come back here and I pick this coin. I look at it and I do manual replenishment or manual buy, where I tap on buy, then I tap on market price, then I can deposit here my $100. The fact is that you should have enough balance in USD, meaning I've also been able to increase my position amount, but at the same time, I'm moving my average price near to the current price. Very soon, it will also be closing in profit. So those are the two steps. I'm going now to repeat them very slowly. Those are the two steps that can be done to continue sustainably be making some little profit. I'm now going to repeat them much more slowly. You see, my coins are in blue, even when the market is down. So I said the formula is simple. What you do, put all the coins in one shot. Put all the coins in one shot. Make sure you have enough balance in your USDT. Leave other coins. The robot will automatically close them in profit. The robot will automatically close them in profit. Leave them as they are floating in their 14. They are floating in 10. They are floating in 18. They are floating in 10. They are floating. Let them keep floating. You can put them in one shot. Then, because you want to reduce on the robot using it over time, because whenever the market goes down, the robot will keep on using it. Then sync another, cancel the strategy, sync another strategy. Make sure now you have more coins that are trading, and you'll automatically be making profit into your Binance exchange. You see, I'm already now seated on $9. Right, so that was the short Now I want to go into questions because sometimes I'm very fast as a person. I don't know, but that is my nature. So I just want to now listen into some questions because it's through questions that I could make it maybe simple for everybody. Okay, let me come in the chat room. I didn't see some of my coins in my Royalq after converting them in my Binance. I told you yesterday, if you see the market is going into floating loss, please don't over convert because the floating loss was going so high. So after converting them in my Binance, okay, let me repeat that. If you convert your coins in your Binance and the robot sells them, they go. I want to repeat. If you go in for converting and you convert these coins back to SDT and the robot sells them, they go. They go. Okay, how can you cancel and sync another strategy? I'm going to show you. Okay. The YouTube channel is here. Now let me listen to these people with hands. Inika, please. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, can you hear me? Good morning.
Good morning.
Please, I want to find out. I'm trying to sign up somebody in Sweden, but the person keeps telling me that she can't buy USDT over there. Is there any option? What can be done?
Country?
I'm in Nigeria.
Which
Sweden.
country?
Person is in Sweden. The person is in Sweden.
The person is in Sweden. Does
Yes.
he use any crypto wallet?
She has Binance, but she's not seeing the option of buy under
Sweden has
peer-to-peer.
some issues. You need
Yes.
Sweden. I think Sweden is behaving like Italy.
Yes.
Sweden is behaving like Italy. I don't have anybody in my team from Sweden. I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe you could find a better strategy. Doesn't he have any other wallet they use in Sweden?
I don't know. I don't really know.
Because different countries have different strategies how they can purchase crypto. So find out, and some have so many restrictions on purchasing crypto. The purchase differ from one country to another. It's not that as it happened in Nigeria, it happens in Sweden. What's happening in my country is not happening in Italy. So first find out, do they have other apps like Coinbase? Do they have other apps like, does he use maybe Trust Wallet? Does he use even the blockchain? Find out, don't stick on only Binance. Find other options of crypto that they have. You can purchase from any other crypto wallet, then bring to Binance and convert.
Okay. Then secondly, this thing the other lady said about converting your coins in USDT, even while the Royalq is trading. I tried it the other day. I found out that what it does exactly is when it will just close and you won't have any profits at the end of the day. It will just close at markets break even. So even if it was running in profit, it will just close and you just close a profit of 0%. I don't know if it also happened to you.
No, you don't convert, because if you go and convert a coin that is seated on $14, maybe you are converting a coin that its capital is very little, $25. You don't realize profit. You need to convert a coin that has a good magnitude of capital. That's the one that will close in profit.
Wait, I don't understand. Please come again.
You cannot convert a coin that's seated on $10, $20 and realize profit. It's very little money.
Okay.
Because if you convert coins with very little money, they have not yet closed enough position amount.
Okay, so
you need to convert coins that are seated on some significant amount.
As in when is in loss in your Royalq, right?
No, if you look at a coin that is in too much floating loss, there's no reason of converting that coin.
Okay.
you need to convert a coin that has very little floating loss. If you go or you convert a coin that is red and blue. But if you go and convert a coin that is in too much floating loss, you not realize profit.
Okay.
Also, make sure you're not converting your coins from Royalq, because if you do, they close automatically. And the reason of turning the coins back to USDT is not to make sure that these coins close in profit, not at all. The reason of converting these coins back to USDT to make sure that you have sufficient USDT in your Binance so that the robot can either close that coin and purchase a more potential coin for you.
Yes.
The reason of converting USDT is not to make sure that that coin closes in profit, not at all.
Okay. Then thirdly, sorry, whose strings sync strategy are you using? Is it JD Win or QQ Circle?
Me, I use QQ.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yes, Figo.
Good morning, my leader, Julius.
Morning, sir.
I'm grateful for your contribution and the way you are exposing us into the business. My question goes like this. You know, the other time I did a testimony, I greet everyone in the house. Very sorry. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon for wherever you are watching us from. I'm grateful for you, Leader Julius, for helping us out of this business. And it's a lovely business anyway. You know, the other time I did testimony, I don't know what really happened, what I done to my account. I just went to go and touch, dress some things, you know. My business now is somehow collapsing. The question I want to ask first is that in case you have this floating loss in your Binance, like my situation now, I have a floating loss almost 180, the other one 150 something. How am I going to do it? Because if you see my business now is somehow collapsing, I don't know how to bring it back to profit line again, according to how you were teaching just now.
Okay, let me share with you. Some of my coins are in too much floating loss. For example, you see, Zenk is at 25%, you see?
Yes.
But like I said, what you do, go and put those coins in one shot and also stop the margin call of those particular coins.
Okay.
After you have done that, then go and cancel the strategy and strategize again. I don't know if you are getting me.
Yes, I'm getting you. I'm with you.
Yeah, so like for example, but I don't want to cancel my strategy. For example, first of all, before you cancel,
can I share my screen for you to see?
All right, it's fine.
If I'm allowed.
Just wait. Just wait. Let me first get back the host powers. All right, it's fine. I didn't get the maximization of profit. You just did. Okay, when the market is down and you have USDT balance, will the robot buy the same coins you had chosen? No. You just, I've said, cancel the strategy, put the coins in one shot, stop the margin call, sync new coins. How to change strategy is what I'm going to do. I just want to find out, if you are not familiar with the system, how would you be able to change those strategies you explained? And also I want to know, the robot, does it do? Yes, it does everything for us. I have not done anything. I'm waiting for you if you could share your screen. You already called.
Please, you only permit my laptop. I'm not using my laptop to share. I want to use my cell phone.
Now put up your hand with your laptop. No, I don't know your laptop here.
Look at it. I'm using my...
You put up your hand with the other device you want me to make a co-host.
let me just switch this one off.
Okay, as Figo gets organized, let me, Royalq, please drop your question. Royalq, I don't know whether this one called Royalq is the founder of the company. Royalq.
Good morning.
Good morning, Royalq.
Thanks for the good work done.
All right.
Please, I wanted to ask, let's say you are having floating loss. So now in one of the coin, I'm having over 75% floating loss. So what happens if the floating loss gets to 100%?
Nothing happens. It means the coin is down by the market. The coin is down. So you just need because when the coin gets into floating loss is unrealized loss. You get?
Okay.
Meaning that when the market bounces back, all your capital and the profit will return.
So I asked the friend, and the friend was saying, if the floating loss gets to 100%, that means you lose that particular asset, and the money you have now coin.
They are lying.
Oh, okay.
They call them propagandalists. They don't know what they're talking about. Because you know what?
No.
Royalq doesn't liquidate. When I talk about liquidation, is that in crypto trading, specifically without using a quantitative tool like Royalq, there is liquidation. Yeah. There is liquidation whereby you perfectly lose your money.
Okay.
You know what I mean? You perfectly lose your money. There is liquidation in crypto. There is liquidation in forex. Yeah. That's why they do what they call stop loss and cut loss. But Royalq has been mathematically set never to sell at loss. You see, the reason why your coin is in floating loss is because the robot was set never to sell at loss. Let me show you what I mean.
Okay.
For example, just I'm giving you an example.
Okay.
Let me use, you see this coin is at 26, floating loss 26, right?
Yeah.
So you see, it has what you call position amount.
Yeah.
If we tap up here, you see position amount. That's the total amount of capital.
Yeah.
So it is 125.15, right?
Yeah.
The number of coins that have been bought in Zen are 1.2. Am I right?
Yeah.
But if we look at the average price, what is the average price? The average price, it is 103.53%. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
But the current price of this coin is 76.
76, yeah.
Okay, what I can do is that I can close this coin in profit. You get?
Yeah.
If I have enough capital. Let me show you what I mean. I come here and I tap on buy. Do you see?
Yeah.
I tap on market price. You see that? I want you to note the following one. You see where there is estimated holding profit and loss?
Yeah.
You see where there is
Position profit. Okay.
You see average price?
Yeah.
Okay, now not very well. I'm going to put here more money. For example, $100. You see, now the floating loss has gone from 26 to 14. Am I right?
Yeah.
What if I increase this to 1,000? It has moved from 26 to -2.
-2, yeah.
Meaning, if I do that, I'm going, you see, the current price, the average price that's going to close the deal has now moved from 103 to 78.
Yeah.
And that's what we call manual replenishment. Now, if you have a floating loss that you want to take charge and close this coin in profit, you must have enough balance in your USDT.
Oh, okay.
What are we doing, Reggie? What are we doing is this, for example, let me give you logic. If we buy a Bitcoin at 60,000 US dollars, am I right?
Yeah.
And then the market falls down to 30,000 US dollars. You see this?
Yeah.
This was one Bitcoin. And this is also another one Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Yeah.
Although this one bought at 60 and this one bought at 30. Now,
Yeah.
if I want to close this coin in profit, you see,
Yeah.
I will move the average price. The average price is the price between this one and this one, which could be around 45,000.
Yes.
Meaning, if I put in more money and this coin moves closer to this, it will be closing in profit.
Profit. Yes.
So if you have more capital, you can always do manual replenishment and be able to close a coin that is in too much floating loss in profit, and you move on.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now, the other thing you can do is this. For example, you see, for example, let me look for a floating coin here. Floating coin, a good floating coin. For example, you see FTT is a floating coin, right?
Yeah.
But it is floating at -6, which is very little.
Yeah.
And it has 118 into my Binance. So what do? I need more USDT so that I continue with business. So I compare my loss to my profit. You know, I compare my loss to my profit potential. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
So I come here and I say, according to my loss and the profit I want to make, let me get this FTT back to USD, back to USDT. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
It's called, let me first read the name very well. It's called FTP. And sometimes these coins don't appear here into your Binance. So what you do, you can come here into your Royalq, and I tap on quantitative, then up here there is convert USDT. It is even not giving me any. So I wanted to convert this. Where is this?
Sometimes you see some of the coins at Binance. So
yeah, but if it refuses, I can do manual sell.
Okay.
I tap on this, sell at current price, and it disappears in the market.
Okay.
So I've sold it, meaning I'm getting back more USDT. Why did I sell it? Because when I'm looking for more USDT. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
For my coins to keep on trading. So I can come here and I close all coins that are in one shot that don't have too much floating loss. Why do I do that? I compare my loss to my potential profit.
Oh, okay.
Have you understood me?
I've understood you. Another question. Let's say, please go back to home on Royalq. Let's say I have 10% floating loss. So what happens if I manually sell? That means I lose 10% of my capital.
It is too much. Yeah? No, it is too much. Let us look at it this way, my brother. Look at this. Do you see this average price?
Yes.
It is 0.3159.
Yeah.
Do you see the current price?
Yeah, 0.2.
It is 0.2828. The difference is huge.
Yeah.
So we shall be landing in good loss.
Okay.
So what I can do, for example, for this coin, I can tap on manual buy. But when I do this and I put here $100, I will be trying to close it to profit, but it's too much money. What you need to do is this. For example, if you had synchronized new coins.
Okay.
You see now, I'm making profit. You see, I'm buying and I'm selling. And check. So you check here, you see my profit now is almost about reach $10.
Okay.
So what you need to do is the following. Instead of you doing manual replenishment for that coin or manual buy, come and look at coins like VET/USDT. When you look at it, it is in blue. Come here into your Binance before you do manual replenishment. Come here to Binance. These are just, I say these are just added skills for people who love trading. Like person like me, I only do this. So I come here and I put in VET/USDT. For example, look at this coin. If you look at this coin, it is having real bull run. You see? It's having real bull run. You see this? Although the market is down, this coin has won its resistance. Now it is in real bull run. You see this?
Yeah.
Now what you do, I come on vet. Remember, I have enough balance in my USDT. You remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
I come here, manual buy. Then I deposit here $200. You get what I mean?
I get what
Meaning, now I've increased the
Money.
ability for me to make profit on this particular coin
Yeah.
because I have looked at it in the marketplace and it's doing very
Yeah.
well. Look at T fuel stock USDT. I said these are things you do, not that because maybe I'm just saying these are just added things you could do. I call them extra skills. You don't need to spend the whole day here. Now look, you see this one. I'm not going to put money here because you see it was trying to run up, but now it's coming as if it's the sellers are now taking over.
Okay.
So that's how you could make some personal decisions if you are using the Royalq platform. Maybe if you want to make some extra profit. But if you aren't interested, you don't need to get headache. Stick to your strategy, leave it there, and allow the robot to sell at its own time. It will make sure that it will be selling in profit.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot.
All right. Oh, you see, I'm already making $10. Wow.
That's when you have a lot of USDT.
Yeah, you need to, but I've given you strategies, my leader, that can create USDT.
Okay. Yeah.
Have you seen the strategies? Yes, I've given you strategies that can create USDT.
Yeah.
Yes, you can create USDT yourself in your system. One of the strategies of creating USDT is to share the business. You know, because why? Look here, my brother. These are reasons why you could share the business. They are ethical. One, I'm not giving my money to anyone.
Yeah.
I'm not losing anything. I'm not losing any of my capital. My capital is intact, just that the market is down. You get that?
Yeah.
Three, the time I would, because me, I'm full-time doing Royalq. I fired my boss because I discovered if I stay on Royalq at home, I could make $50 a day, which my boss couldn't pay me at the end of the month. My boss could not pay me that money. Businesses are crashing. Businesses are crashing right now. Companies are closing down. Yesterday, one of the leading telecom companies in my country closed down. It's known as AfriCell. It is saying we are closing all our shops in our country. People are losing jobs. 2 weeks ago, ShopRite closed down in my country. People are on the streets looking for jobs because businesses have shifted from being physical to online.
Yeah.
So do you get the idea, my brother?
I get it.
Instead of me looking for a job, or instead of me looking for someone who's having a job and they're receiving little salary and they are not secure of their job, I better tell them, look, my brother, you just need $120. Purchase a robot. Even if you don't have capital, share with friends about the beauty of this idea. And you talk to friends about the beauty of this idea, they're going to also to purchase the robot. You'll get the capital that you'll transfer into your Binance and start making profit from home.
Oh.
Because I started this business. This is faith. This is nothing to manipulate. This is nothing. I've personally withdrawn a lot of funds from Royalq. But look at my trading capital. I have, the checks would be here. Although the market is down, I'm trading to $2,200 US.
Oh.
Let me invite one leader here. I have leaders who were here when I got started. I had nothing. I just had an idea. I didn't have money. So the idea of you talking about having enough USDT, I didn't start with enough USDT. I started with nothing. I had only $85. I was living in a self-confused house. I have my brother here. He would testimony about this. So my brother, it's not about the capital. It's about your decisions. It's about how you see the world. Simple.
Okay.
So you can generate good capital and you can inject good funds day in and day out non-stop.
Okay, thanks for that advice. I'll be working on that. If anything too, I'll enter into your personal DM, then we chat more.
All right, thank you. Okay, let me go back to Figo, but let me just get these few questions so that when I handle Figo, we call it a day. You have some more 10 minutes to go. Newton, please. Newton. Okay, maybe not here. Next. Gobina, please.
Okay. Good morning, my leader.
Good morning, sir.
Thanks for the good job you are doing. I really appreciate it. I've learned
Thank
a
you.
lot in just a month and a week. My question is on conversion.
Exactly.
I did some conversion on my dinners as you taught us. And I discovered that after closing sales, the number of pieces reduced. Those coins did not, the robot did not buy back a new coin. So the number of pieces reduced from 10 it used to be to 4, and it has happened twice. What I did is this: I went back to Circle and I repeated the strategy. I sang another strategy, the same thing I did before, and the coins started a new trade. Although they're on blue, but I don't know why he's selling those coins off and he's not buying a new one. That's my question.
Okay, let me explain this to you, so that you get an understanding, and maybe next time it becomes very easy for you. This is what happens. We are using. I love this business. You know, we are using. What do we call? We are using copy traders.
Okay.
And these copy traders we are using, they make profit whenever we use their strategies. You get?
Yes.
Because if you look at, let me say QQ, his strategy earns around 1% profit sharing. Now, these strategies that we are using, they are also on competition. You get? They are on competition to ensure that they provide us with results. You get that? So that they can can get a good number to make more profit also. So now this is what they do. These guys keep on changing coins.
Okay.
When he realizes that the coin he has chosen is not going to give people profit, he closes that trade. You get what I mean?
Yes.
He closes a trade and brings a new coin. Sometimes, like in the morning today, I wanted to only purchase only 6 coins. But when I tried to sync the strategy, it refused. So what I did, I went in for 26 coins.
Wow.
So after going for 26 coins, that's when the new buy and sell started. So sometimes that can happen.
Okay. So there's nothing to worry about if the number of coins goes down.
Yeah, there's nothing to worry. But if you see it repeatedly, just go put those coins that are present in one shot and sync new coins.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Lower this hand and lower this hand. Okay, then me go for Figo. Yes, Figo.
Thank you very much, my leader. Thanks for your patience.
I'm listening to you.
Yeah, I want you to make me a host.
All right. Okay, continue. I'm following, don't worry. I'm listening.
This is my screen. You can see the first 152, that is the tool. So the question asking like this one now, because you said we can seek strategy, see the same strategy, but to put it, because I'm interested in putting it in that 15, 20, 26. Like this one now, how am I going to do it? I know my balance, finance balance is low. So
Let
I
us
don't
make
know.
money now. Figo.
Yeah.
Figo, this is what you're going to do.
Yes.
You don't need to worry about the floating losses. Because when the market bounces back, these coins will come back with good profit. Are we together?
Yes.
But I want you now to make profit. Let us get all these coins, put them in one shot, cancel the strategy and sync the strategy again with the 227 USDT that you have in your Binance.
Okay.
Have you got me?
Yes, I got you. Clear.
Do that then. That's what you need to do.
Look at this one now, because I have
It doesn't matter how much is in them as capital. It doesn't matter. Put all in one shot. They will close at the right time when the market is good.
because what I'm afraid is that look at this one I put in one shot. I don't know what the problem of these ones, these coins. They're almost a month and 2 weeks now. They are still
Tap
like
on it. Tap on this one that you did one shot, and I tell you why it doesn't close. And I see. You know, sometimes these coins, they fail to close because sometimes certain coins take long to come back. You get? Get what I mean?
yes.
Because, but even if they take long, I had a coin that had spent so long into my dashboard, but I was patiently waiting. But when it came back with profit. So what you do, my brother, put all those coins in one shot. It doesn't matter how much you bought them, put them in one shot, cancel the margin call, sync a new strategy. Okay, we have around 4 minutes. Have around 4 minutes to the end of our session. Yes, let me look at some questions here. Okay, yes, thank you, Moses. Money can never be enough. Even if you have 1 million, money can never be enough. Yeah, you can start with where you are with what you have. Yeah.
It's about Julius. Julius, there is a question I want to ask again. Is this my first buy? Is it too much or is too much?
It's too much. That's why you are suffering.
Yeah.
You know, let me tell you this, Figo. What we are doing is known as quantitative trading. Go back a bit, let me show you something. Go back, let me show you. Tap on home. Tap on revenue. Do you see what is at top there, my brother? It says cumulative profit. Am I right? Cumulative profit meaning there are these little profits that have been coming that you are able now to be seated on 1,467.
Okay.
So put all those coins in one shot, then sync using your remaining balance. Then wait, the robot will close those other coins in profit, and you have enough USDT in your Binance. Again, put the little balance that I said and sync with more capital, and you get moving. Now put your amount of first buy, $15, and do a few coins. I hope you have got the right explanation.
Yes, I've got. I should cancel this one now. I should
Yeah, cancel the strategy and then go for little amount because the market is down. Now the amount of first buy should be 15. The number of coins, let me just check for you here at QQ. I hope I get there fast.
Thank you very much for your patience.
Let me be very fast to fast two. You have around it's close to 300, am I right?
Yes, it's close to 300.
Oh. I know some coins will automatically get there. You need to do 1 or 2 coins. You just need to do 1 or 2 coins for the part time. Yeah, it's enough sync. So the essence of this is to make sure that the previous coins that are trading get into one shot, they are sold off, and I'll be able to, now you'll get some new coins. It might take time, but they will already appear. If it takes over 10 minutes when the event appeared, but some coins still remained in the cycle. You see these other coins remained in the cycle. It's as if they are still there. You need to do it like I've told you, and you'll be successful, I hope. Okay, let me leave you there because of time. I hope you'll be able to finish that, because I know you have been here for some time. Yes, missionary.
Thank you, my leader.
Right,
Hello,
thank
sir.
you. Yes, missionary.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I just I greet you, and I really appreciate the knowledge you are giving to us. Thank you, sir. Sir, my question is that in Binance, how if I want to know how the market is, the movement of the market, and the way you are seeing the candle, how can I reach that area to be seeing that candle? So that I'll be able to.
Like for example, you see my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing your screen, sir.
You see where there are markets?
Yes, I see I know this. I know how to reach this place.
So when you open markets, you see here are favorites, and down here are these coins, the pairs.
Okay.
So we tap on fiat.
Fiat.
Then we tap
okay.
on USDT.
Okay. Okay. I will type first type on fiat, and the second USDT. Okay.
Yeah, because it's the one we are pairing with.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
The coins we are using are pairing with USDT. Now, after you have done that,
okay,
you can look for any coin of your desire. For example, if I come here into my Royalq, wow, already $12. This is good. I come here in my Royalq and I want to see how AVAX, let me say how Canva is performing, right? So I come here, you see on top here, there is search, right?
Yes.
I put Canva, then it comes Canva stroke USDT, Canva stroke BUSDT, BSD, Canva stroke BNB, Canva stroke BTC, Canva stroke this one. So I choose Canva stroke BNB. You see, this is the coin, but this one is in indecision. So this one
Canva stroke USDT or stroke what?
Stroke USDT, because we are using a pair known as USDT.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So that's how we choose. So you can always come and.
But my own is not showing that candle. It's just showing a line. It's not showing that candle.
Okay, let me show you what you need to do. So it depends on the settings. Huh?
Yes.
So you see,
the way this one is showing candle now, my own is not showing candle.
You see, mine is now showing a line.
It's just showing line like this, and
line like this one, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what you do, you see here where there is line.
Okay, okay.
Tap on it. Because it's me who tapped on it to get this.
Okay, this is like or what? Okay,
No,
it's line.
this
Okay,
is a
line. Okay, okay.
So it is a line, and this line can it just shows you how the market is performing using the lines.
Okay, okay.
So some people are good at using lines, others are good at using candles.
Okay.
So
And
it's
my
up
second
to.
and my second question is that the movement of the market, is it going to the right or is it going to the left?
Don't you see these curves are moving this side? You see the market is going this side. The
Which
curves
side?
move this side.
Okay, 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 okay. It's going. Okay, it's going to the right side.
Exactly.
Thank you, sir. Okay, the moment I tap on the line, it's going to change to candle.
No, it might not. I just needed to, but I need to remember something. Sometimes I forget. I needed to remember. I was told the other day on how to change this. Yeah, can I see? Okay. Just wait. Maybe someone in the house knows how that is done. Sometimes I forget. But I know me, I'm very good at, I can spend the whole day here until I learn it. But someone is in the house and knows where to press to get back my candles. Hey, it's someone in the house, you know that, then you could, okay. Okay, but I hope if someone is here would help, but if not, I will find out from a trader I know.
Okay,
I'll find
sir.
out from a trader and maybe I'll send you a screenshot.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Because I'm also a student of these things, but I hope these are indicators, and these indicators are not about
Good morning, my leader. Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Hello, my leader. Can you hear me? Okay, please, I have a question. I don't know. I have a question. Can I go ahead and ask my question? There is a message I got. I saw the other day. Increase your first buy to $15. I don't know. I don't know whether someone can explain what that means. Or can I share my screen? Let me just share my screen so that I can. I mean this. The first order amount is recommended to be set to 15 USDT. Please, can someone explain this? I got this message the other day. So what does this mean? Can someone help me and explain this?
All right. Sorry for the network connections, but I feel that could be enough for today.
Hello, my leader. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to be back. Okay. I have a question. There's something that I saw the other day. Let me share my screen so that I can share the message I got.
But I hope you are the last one because I see it's getting late.
Okay, no problem. Let me.
Then tomorrow we shall start on the same topic.
It's okay. Okay, this is the message I'm talking about.
The adjustment on the exchange.
Pardon?
You know, this message says, due to the adjustment on the exchange currency transaction accuracy, to avoid total transaction amount after the profit does not reach the exchange minimum amount of 10 USDT limit, resulting to failure to sell. The first order amount is recommended to be put at $15. Now, when you go to Binance, I don't know whether you know this, but when you go to Binance Exchanger, there are certain coins you want to sell and Binance says it is less. Have you realized that?
Yes. I've done that. Yes, I've realized that.
Yes. Now, because of the exchanges or the exchange like Binance, they have adjusted their currency transaction accuracy. Now, if your amount of first buy remains 10, when the robot tries to close the sale, it doesn't land in profit. It fails to sell because in Binance, where it is trying to sell, they raised the amount of selling. I don't know how you get me. I don't know, but I'm trying to give you an understanding. You get me, Chucks?
Continue. I'm trying to get you.
What I'm saying is this: if your amount of first buy is 10, are you getting me?
Yes.
And Binance said that selling Bitcoin, you will sell when the amount of selling is above $15. You get that?
Yes.
When the robot is trying to sell that coin, it fails to sell it. Because Binance is saying we now start at 15. You get what I mean? Now the robot has 10, so it wants to close a profit of a 10 sell, and Binance is not accepting that, so it fails to sell. Are you getting me? I don't know if you're getting me. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Hello? Hello? Yes, Arun, I'm going to give only 5 minutes. Arun, ask your question. Maybe it's not here. Let me go.
Yeah, hello. No, I'm not asking question. I was just trying to say that you click on the 15M beside the line so that it will go to candle. You'll be able to see the candle again. Sorry.
Oh, so that's what. So I come back here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
So I come here and I choose on 15 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
Then the candles will come back. I see the Bitcoin is still into the bearish. Thank you so much. I'm humbled. Thank you so much, Leader Arun from Nigeria.
Okay.
God
Yes.
bless.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Thank
yeah.
you. Okay, let me go to Mr. Fred. Yes, Mr. Fred.
I also don't have any question, my brother. I just wanted to, when you asked who can help on the candlesticks.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Leader Fred. Happy to have you.
I'm so proud of you, before. Yeah, you inspire me so much.
Wow, thank you so much, my brother. Okay, let us go to Huawei Nova 2 Plus. Nova 2 Plus. Huawei Nova 2 Plus. Please drop your ad.
Good morning, Mr. Julius. This is Faith.
Yes, Faith. Faith, why are you now coming as a company owner of the phone? Because I changed your name so much so that today I became confused. I was worried that the founder of Huawei is here. So I was humbling so much myself.
No, I changed my phone, so I haven't changed the username in Zoom.
It's okay, my leader. It was just a joke.
Okay. Please, I need you to assist me with, because when you were teaching about changing to one spot and cancel strategy, my network was fluctuating. So please, can you help me out? Let me share my screen and you can tell me how to go about it.
Do that. As I go to Gideon. Yes, Gideon.
Good morning, my leader.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, excuse sir, I have a question. The last time I attended your Zoom meeting, you taught me how to synchronize my account. But I did that, and up to now, I don't know how to say if the robot is trading or not, because my USDT is still 500, and since Sunday it has not reduced.
You need to check your API binding. Did you do the API binding? Did you do the API binding?
Yes, I did the API binding.
Okay. Hey, today I might stay here the whole day. Questions are main. Okay. Let me finish with please drop your question as I look at the screen of this lady. But I'm not sharing your screen. Why are you sharing? Faith, why are you not sharing your screen? Either Faith. Okay, MA as I wait for Faith. MA. All right. Okay. Faith is not sharing the screen. I don't know. Not in a meeting. Faith is not sharing. Okay, let me go to Gideon. Gideon, could you share your screen and I look through your account?
Okay, sir.
MA, could you drop your question too as I wait for Gideon to share his screen? Okay. Now let me just mute and lower this hand so that I handle only this and we call it a day.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen, sir.
But your robot is trading. What's up? What is this?
I don't. The last time it traded is on the 9th of 12th. Look at it.
Oh, you call trading when you are making profit. Oh, I get now. So for you, you only recognize that the robot is trading when you are making profit. Am I right?
Okay. Yeah.
But now go through your account. Just go back.
Okay.
I see you have ATA at -32. Scroll down. I see you have KS, you have Solo, you have SRP. Now go to your Binance. Let me look at your capital.
Okay, sir.
Tap on spot, okay?
Yeah, it's on spot. It's loading.
Don't worry, let us wait. Don't worry, let us wait. It's just network. You have 500 USDT, okay. Now let us go back to your Royalq.
Yes. Okay.
Put all those coins in one shot. Put all those coins in one shot. Put all those coins in one shot.
Okay, how can I do that, sir?
Tap on each coin.
Okay.
You see why there is one shot? Press.
One shot. Yes, sir. I've seen it.
Press.
Okay.
Press one shot.
I've pressed it. Okay.
Go back and choose another coin and put it on one shot again.
Okay. I've done that.
Choose another one.
Yes, I've done that.
Choose another one. Put all of them on one shot.
Okay, I've done that for all the coins that are trading.
Go back, let's see. Go back, let's see. They are still on circle now.
Revenue.
They are still on circle. They are still on circle. Put them on one shot. You didn't put them on one shot.
Oh.
Choose one of the. Choose ATA. One shot.
ATA.
Click on one. Click on one shot.
I've clicked. I've done that.
Go back.
Okay. I've gone back. I've done that for KSM.
Okay.
I've done that for SOL. I've done that for XRP.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see whether they're on one shot.
But ATA is not okay. Look at it.
Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back to home.
Home, okay. I'm on home.
Why are they not changing now? They're supposed to be on one shot. They're still on circle.
I don't know.
Maybe wait for Leader Julius to come online
Okay.
and take over.
Have you put them in one shot?
Yes, I put them on one shot, but Atta is still on cycle.
First go back to your Binance.
Okay, Binance. Okay, I'm on Binance.
Let me look through your coins.
Okay.
But these coins don't have any credit. You manually sold these coins, am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, these coins have already been sold. Just come here, convert small to BNB.
Okay, convert small BNB. Okay.
You manually sold these coins. Tap on all.
Okay.
Tap on all. Convert.
Convert.
Confirm.
I should come. Okay. I've done
Now
that.
let us go back to your Royalq. You had sold these coins manually. Am I right?
Yes, sir. You are right.
I was wondering why they're trying to press them in psych and they don't accept. Okay, now tap on quantitative.
Quantitative. Yeah.
Batch setting.
What?
Batch setting. Tap on batch setting.
Okay. I've done that.
Tap on all.
On all. Okay.
Pause.
Pause. Okay.
Confirm.
Okay.
Tap on sell.
Sell.
Select them manually. Select them.
Okay, like this.
Yeah. No. Go select them the other side where you have been.
Okay,
in the
how?
Circle, one in the circle. Don't you see the circle?
Okay, I should tap on
coin
cycle.
has a circle before it. Don't you see a circle before the coin?
Okay, yes, I've seen it. Yes, I've seen it.
Tap on them.
I should select all.
Yeah.
Okay. All of them?
Yes, sir. But not all. These ones are not yours. These are not trading. Then tap on sell.
Okay. Okay, sell. I should sell all assets and confirm the clearance. Should I confirm?
There is nothing, just sell off.
Okay.
You had already sold this. I'm just trying to clear your dashboard.
Okay, sir.
So now go to cycle.
Cycle. Okay.
Go to cycle.
I'm on cycle.
Are you sure?
Okay, no, not yet. Okay. Okay, I'm on cycle now.
Look for QQ strategy.
Okay, QQ cycle. I'm here.
Apply to join.
He has already joined. He has already joined.
Has already joined.
Then just continue the process and we put in amount of first buy.
Okay, so how will I continue the process?
Click on that arrow. Click on that arrow. Go back to QQ cycle.
Okay, QQ cycle. Okay.
Open it. And you see that arrow where you see golden color.
Golden color.
QQ, Captain QQ strategy. You see that arrow?
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Click on that arrow.
This one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Cancel your strategy. Thank you so much, Leader Chucks. Cancel the strategy.
Okay.
Confirm.
Yes, I've confirmed.
Sync the strategy.
I should synchronize the strategy again.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Now remember, they have now increased the amount of fast buy. This guy says if you are doing around $450, which is around 500, you can do a maximum of 2 coins. But you know what? We are going to put 15 and let us do 3 coins. You can still pass through that.
Okay, 15 and 3.
That's
Okay.
enough. I think there's strategy.
Okay.
We are done, bro. Thank you. Just go back and check the news.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you so much, my leader.
All right, thank you too. Ladies and gentlemen, that marks the session of today. We meet tomorrow at the same time. All right, no. We meet today at exactly 2 p.m. South Africa Standard Time. I mean, Gear here. I'll be sharing the opportunity by that time. At the same time, ladies and gentlemen, we meet again at 8 p.m. South Africa Standard Time. Thank you so much for your time. Specifically, we shall be having the Captain QQ here on Saturday, 5 p.m. East Africa Standard Time, 6 p.m. South Africa Standard Time. We'll be answering questions and answer about crypto trading. And the same time, ladies and gentlemen, it will be 11 p.m. Malaysian time. God bless you. It has been 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'm sorry for all those that have taken their time, but certain questions I wouldn't hesitate to answer. God bless you. I wish you a perfect week of qualification and going to other ranks of making money. God bless everybody. And I sign out as Julius. Thank you so much. God bless you. And